go straight across now to Satyendra Chauhan, who's with me live from Chandigarh. Satyendra, एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर ने अभी वो क्लैरिटी दिया है कि बोर्ड एग्जाम के डेट्स मई 4th और जून 10th के बीच में होंगे, तो क्या रिएक्शंस है स्टूडेंट्स के, सत्येंद्र?
Yes, we have many students with us. Let me ask them how you are feeling as 4th May you are going to face your exams after a long.
We are so happy to face the exams, and we are studying till for 9 months. We are studying in our home, and we are ready to give the exams.
You are attending your all the classes through online or digital. Now you are going to face examination as physical. So, do you have some kind of fear or some question in your mind?
No, we don't have any kind of fear. We are attending all the classes online in our homes.
And we have many students. What's your name?
My name is Anurag Thakur.
And how you are feeling, how you are excited about your exams?
I'm very excited about the exams because I prepared from 9 months back. Until now, I was thinking that there will be no exams and all what I have done would go waste. But now I'm very confident that it will work. I have the worth that I have what I have done.
आप क्या फील करती हैं मैम?
सर, मैं ये फील कर रही हूँ कि ड्यूरिंग लॉकडाउन स्टूडेंट्स को बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम फेस करनी पड़ी, जिसकी वजह से ऑनलाइन क्लासेस लगी, ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन में थोड़ा सा तो कंफ्यूजन रहता है। स्टूडेंट्स प्रिपरेशन उस अकॉर्डिंग नहीं कर पाते जिस अकॉर्डिंग उनको करना चाहिए। टॉपर्स का फिर भी चल जाता है, लेकिन जो एवरेज स्टूडेंट है उसके लिए थोड़ी सी मुश्किल होती है टीचर के साथ 1-to-1 इंटरेक्ट करने की। तो इसलिए हमने पूरी कोशिश की है कि अपने स्टूडेंट्स के साथ हम कम्युनिकेशन गैप ना रखें, उन्हें अच्छे से स्टडी करवाएं। तो इन्होंने पूरा सपोर्ट किया, हमारी पूरी टीम ने स्टूडेंट्स को, ताकि इनका साल खराब ना हो।
So, Shiv, all the students are happy and they are very much confident and they are excited to face their examinations.
Very interesting. May 4th to June 10th is when the exam dates have been declared. Aishwarya Paliwal is also live with us from Delhi. Let's get a quick word in from her. Aishwarya, months of suspense, and anxiety comes to an end. Finally, there is clarity that the exams will start 4 months from now. May 4th to June 10th. Clear dates now finally given to 30 lakh students across the country.
Well, Shiv, you are talking about the examination dates, but something which you are not talking about is the result date. Let me tell you, that will be the 15th of July. Now, I remember how I was on the day when the result was about to come out. The entire family was in anticipation. Did not eat anything since morning till the time I did not see my result. Now, that is one of the most crucial days. For the class 10th and class students, that will be the 15th of July. Now, the education minister has very clearly spoken about the fact that they did consultations and now they are of the opinion that the students should give examinations, because if they did not give these very crucial board examinations for class 10th and class 12th, we could see an entire year go to waste. But that is something which the government did not want to do. So now the examination dates are out. The result date is also 15th of July, which means that is the day which will be very crucial for all these students going ahead. Back to you, Shiv.
Aishwarya and Satyendra, thank you very much for joining me with those first reactions. So let me reiterate this for the lakhs of students who are tuning in to India Today, who finally got this clarity. May 4th is when your exams will begin. June 10th is the last date. So between May 4th and June 10th is when class 10 and class 12 board exams of the CBSE will be held. And then July 15th is that big day when the results will be declared. Joining me live now for first